Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I am here with homie Les today, and we're talking about the A7RIII in 2024 and if it's something you should pick up. Let's dive right in because we are in Greece today, Santorini specifically.
Hey, I'm a videographer now.
So what we learned on the plane about the A7RIII with video is that it actually does have S-Log2 and S-Log3, but because it's only 8-bit instead of 10-bit video color, it's best to shoot S-Log2, and I've seen some crazy results out of these cameras shooting S-Log2 and color grading. So we're gonna be playing around with that. And she's back. We're gonna be sharing a lot of photos straight out of camera colors from the A7RIII because we know this is a photography first camera, and we were just in the Middle East in Jordan, so I'll be sharing a lot of the photos that we took there. Okay, let's check in with Les because she's trying to film this video right now, but big time failing.
No, don't record me because I messed up that.
I know it's been like gloomy and it's off season, but what do you like about Santorini?
How quiet it is, because there's so much room for us to just explore, and there's no people. We don't have to really think about being in people's way right now. Like, we can just go and take photos and videos so easily.
What do you love about your A7RIII?
The 42 megapixel sensor, it's fire. And the 4K quality video, it has been pretty easy to use.
Yeah. And then you said you like the autofocus, but you wouldn't mind switching to Canon?
Yeah, I think for me, Canon right now, it has my heart just because of the colors. I know everyone's like, oh, just get better at coloring or whatever in Lightroom, but I honestly think that there is a difference. But as somebody who's starting to merge into videography, I feel like Sony is definitely the route to go. So I'm sticking to my Sony setup, and I'll see where it goes. Maybe I will find another found love towards, that didn't make sense, find a new reason to love Sony.
Almost lost her hat. Okay, Les, something bad just happened. You lost what?
My sunglasses.
Oh no, I'm sorry. But what are the cons, not of today, but of your camera?
My cons?
Yeah.
Well, one, the screen, it has to be popped out in order for me to see anything out of it. And when I put it back in, it actually just goes blank.
So it's broken.
Yeah, I don't know if it's my camera or if it's just like a glitch in the Sony system, because I'm not the only one who's experienced this before.
What about video in your 4K mode?
Oh yeah, so every time I do 4K, it crops it in. So it's actually, I have a 16 to 35 on right now, but it crops into like maybe 24. All
right, correction. The A7RIII does not have a crop at 4K 24. We had it in APS-C or Super 35 mode, so it was kicking in 1.5 times. And for 4K 30, we did read that it had a 1.2 times crop online, but we don't believe that because when we try 4K 30, it doesn't crop at all. But if you know, let us know in the comments below. Okay, back to the video. How's your 1080 footage? Does it crop in?
No, it doesn't actually. No, it doesn't. So that's not too bad.
Do you like your screen? Like, I know on my A7 IV it articulates like fully. You can go in a bunch of different directions. Can yours do that?
No.
Okay, so what can it do? What can it do?
It goes up like this, okay, so I can see it like from below and from the sides.
Tight to that.
But I cannot, like, if I wanted to vlog, I can't do that. I'd have to probably get like a mount on top or something of some sort. I don't even know how to do that, to be honest.
There's like a mirror mount system, but yeah, it's annoying. Okay, and then what other cons? You can't do 4K slow motion, right?
No, I can't do 4K 120 or 60. That's right.
Okay, got you. But you can do 4K 30, add a crop as well, and it's only like a little slow motion.
Yes.
Would you recommend the A7RIII in 2024?
Absolutely not!
Okay, Les, what do you think? Would you recommend the A7III in 2024?
I would say for photographers, yes, absolutely. Look at this cute little cat behind me. But for video, for beginners, I'd say yes. So if you want to be more on the photography side, but eventually get into video, sure, absolutely go for it. But if you want to go straight into video, go straight into the
A7S III, A7 IV, something along those lines.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe the FX30, FX3. But anyways, thank you.
Money.
Yeah. Thank you for stopping by the channel.
Hell yeah.
It's our first YouTube video together, and more to come. Talk to you guys later. Maddie out. Peace.
Peace.